In today's video, I'll show you how to add a real-time speed display in GTA 5 using a speedometer mod. Check my video description for these two mods download link. Once download done, right click on the script hook V and select pin drawer and select open with pin drawer. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open bin. Then drop all these files inside a game folder. Once done, go back and open the LeafX Speedo. Then drop these two files inside of a game folder. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, get in your bike or car and you just need to wait for 3 seconds. And as you can see, the speedometer is working. Press the F10 to open up this menu. To turn off the speedometer mode enabled, press enter to turn it off. Go to features. You can turn off this RPM and fuel. Just uncheck this. And now the speedometer looks so better. Placement, you can change the placement, increase the size, decrease the size, XY. Make this speedometer looks how you like. So everything is customizable. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.